So, welcome back to my YouTube channel, King Table. So, globally, you have at least 2.2 billion people who have a near distance, who have a near or distance vision impairments. So, in at least 1 billion of these, vision impairment could have been prevented or is yet to be addressed. So, this is according to the WHO report. So, there are approximately this number of ophthalmologists worldwide. So, although the estimated global ophthalmologist workforce appears to be growing, appropriate distribution of the eye care workforce and the development of comprehensive eye care delivery systems are needed to ensure that eye care needs are universal met. So heavy on the eye care delivery systems. So introduction is that uh, this project aims to utilize computational principles and image classification techniques to develop a solution that assists ophthalmologists, optometrists in diagnosing retinal diseases. So, by integrating a retinal disease image classify model into their diagnostic workflow, we can enhance the efficiency and accuracy of the diagnostic process, ultimately improving patient outcomes. So statement of the problem is that subjectivity in the sense that uh, the ophthalmologists have different interpretations of electron images, so lead to inconsistency and affect the accuracy. It's also time consuming, you know. So results in longer wait times for patient and potential delays in the diagnosis. Uh, since it involves multiple procedures, we also have limited access to specialists. So in the ratio I'd shown you before, those number of ophthalmologists and the global population, it's safe to say that there may be a shortage of experienced ophthalmologists. So this leads to difficulties in accessing expertise for timely diagnosis and treatment, and also workload impact. So according to the ratio, to the WHO report, you can say that the high patient volumes and limited time availability can increase the risk of errors, affecting the quality of care provided. So my proposed solution was to develop an IKEA web app with advanced retinal disease diagnosis image classifier model trained on a diverse data set. So the model will accurately identify and classify various retinal diseases, providing valuable insights to assist the eye specialist in the process. So let me showcase you through the proposed solution, the IKEA web app. So this is the IKEA web app that I managed to achieve to solve the problem in hand. Uh, so it's called ClearView. So ClearView is a web app that aims to revolutionize eye healthcare by providing a seamless and efficient platform for both ophthalmologists and patients. So a quick question is, how many of you can actually see this text? Read through the text in blue right now. I know most of you can read it through so efficiently, but in yellow it's a bit tedious. So actually, this showcase how important vision is to the needs of society and how it must be. It needs to be uh, achieved. So a quick logout for each of the tabs that opened. Yeah. So as you can see, quick logout for each of the tabs. So as you can see, this is the homepage of the ClearView web app that seeks to convert the challenges in hand that I had discussed before. So for the first tab, I'll log in and I'll put an admin user who will be able to use the the model, and for the second one I'll put an active normal user. So basically someone who doesn't have the permissions to necessarily uh, uh, realize the predictions from the model. Yeah. So good sign up. So successful sign up from each of the users. So this is the normal view of the active active user, and the active user can view the ophthalmologist. So active user, let's view the ophthalmologist. And these are actually enrolled ophthalmologist. This is for testing purposes, so necessarily these aren't the ophthalmologists in hand, but you get the point. So if this system is to be in use, this is what will actually have for the ophthalmologist. So you can actually search through for the ophthalmologist, let's say by their location and such. And you can only see that this ophthalmologist is actually the one who is located. So we have a basic search, an excellent search that can filter through details of the respective enrolled ophthalmologist. So let me clear the search. So in the view permission details, uh, the uh, the active user, who is in this case is Jonte, can actually see through what the details of the ophthalmologist. So that's my name, and yeah, those are the details. This is where the ophthalmologist is located. So it also comes in with a built-in location feature. So let's start the chat. So I can actually contact the optician with the ophthalmologist. Let's say something like hello doc, I need a checkup. Yeah, I need a checkup. Yeah, so let's send a message. Yeah, and upon sending message, we are actually taken to the inbox page for this respective user, Jonte, and we can see that clicking on here, you can see that the message is successfully sent. You could also add more messages. So this showcase that uh, for a seamless communication between the patient and the user. So let's say that uh, we need I need an appointment on Monday. So you can see that the message has been showcased. So it goes to the admin. You can see. So it goes to the user who is the admin. So yeah. So in this case, this is the admin in this case. So yeah. So if I can log in with the admin user to showcase that the messages have been received from Jonte to the admin in this case. So if you can go to the inbox, you can see that Jonte is here. It's been reflected. So on clicking, you can see that all the messages that Jonte had sent has been reflected back to the admin. So the admin can respond and say, sure, let's do it on Monday. Let's do it on Monday. Yeah. So let's do it on Monday. So as you can see, it says sure, let's do it on Monday, and on Jonte's side, we can see that we have sure, let's do it on Monday. So from the admin. So this is to show that there is secure communication between the admin and and yeah, and Jonte. Yeah, that we log in well, so that it really shows what we have. So you can see message from admin, and it says sure, let's do it on Monday. And on the other side from admin, yeah, you can say it's sure, let's do it on Monday. Monday in the AM, yeah. So yeah, so that speaks of it a lot. Yeah. So the problem that we've just seen is mostly from the switching of accounts to the logging ins to everything. So that's why. So it's become that era. But as you can see, inbox showcases what we have here. Yeah. If you can load this again, yeah, you can see this is the admin, and this chart is also from the admin. That's why there's been a hiccup of accounts. So after the admin seeing that there is a patient in need, you can go and add patient. Yeah, so let's say we'll use John Doe, who was the patient in question. Uh, so this is after successful conversation and appointment that the doctor can fill in these forms. So let's say on May and 12th, 2024, that's early. Let's give this patient years. So September the 2nd, May phone number we'll have, but for now, yeah, let's populate. If I choose the file to choose, uh, we can see we can choose the file that the AI model will scan and predict from it. So suppose this is the test folder in which uh, uh, Jonte's retinal images were taken in fundus by fundus photographs. So let's say this is the image in question in which a specialist has recovered from it. Let's upload. Let's leave this blank. Uh, these are fields that can be filled or recorded after a successful diagnosis. So as you can see, we have John Doe added, and this John Doe signifies that a patient can be added successfully via the app. And through my user patients, we could filter, and also we can get that John Doe who was created today, maybe was yeah was registered. So let's open. So upon opening, it will take some time because the image, retinal fundus image that was uploaded, is being processed by the model. The model will process the image and generate a report for us. So after a successful process, you can see that these are the images that had been uploaded before. You can see that have been left blank, and yeah, we have the delete, we have the edit, and this is what the model returns. So this is the report that the model gives from analyzing the retinal images. For those curious about which model is this ChatGPT? Is this Bard? No, no. This is a built supervised model. I built it, and if I can show you the accuracy levels of the model that has been able to predict this, yeah. So let me quickly showcase it. So as you can see, this is the model, how the model performed from the various retinal disease diagnosis images that were to be used. Yeah. So you can see I used this architecture, the unit architecture, which is a stronghold for predicting medical images and performance. So yeah, so on realizing this model is what actually enabled me to get it as a H5 of it. So the model is stored locally, so that's how I was able to access it. and return from it. So, following from the showcase of the model code and model development and architecture, yeah. So you can see that the model has been able to successfully uh, predict the retinal uh, prediction probability of the retinal diseases within the image. So higher predictions shows that there's a prevalence in it. So the disease is 0.99 because there are diseases that actually is uh, have been predicted by the model. So as you can see, 0.18 is the higher prediction. So in this case is that uh, but it's a small prediction probability. So 0.98 is a small prediction probability. So this is no need for causing of an alarm. However, we could still edit the patient to show that uh, he has been found with media haze. Yeah, and maybe treatment description that I'll leave it to the specialist prescription for the specialist as well. Maybe appointment date. We'll do it. We'll do it probably on January the 15th. And yeah, maybe you could add patient. So this will showcase an actual repeat of what we had just I had just shown you before, but with the updated fields. So this is actually the updation of the patient record specifically, patient record specifically. So as you can see, we have media hills, we have also the appointment date. So yeah, so yeah, that's it for this solution that seeks to help and aid the professionals, eye specialists in performing their roles. So for any comment, like, share, subscribe. For those who have follow up questions or follow up through the project or are interested in this project, I leave my link to the Twitter to my Twitter account down in the description. So you can reach me out there. We can have a discussion forum about this, and even for other projects related. Yeah, can help you achieve it. So let me log out and let me close the server. Yeah, so the server was running locally, and yeah, this is the project code to it. So yeah, so for those who have inquiries, can hit me up from the Twitter account that I will leave it down below in the description. We will chat in the Twitter and share more on this, more projects. So yeah, thank you for watching this project showcase. To more to come. Yeah. So thank you. Have a good day.